Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2x. This one we have number 1. So this one we have 6x plus 6. So we see that we just have only x plus 1. So we need to divide both sides by number 6. So this one we change by u. S plus 1 dx we change by this one. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. So here is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.